Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk through how to forward sent documents on the WhatsApp app for PC after the latest update. If you often share files through WhatsApp on your computer, this quick guide will help you manage and resend them with just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's open, take a look at the left side menu. You'll notice a small media icon. Click on it. This is where all your shared media, photos, videos, and documents are stored. Next, click on Docs to locate any documents you've sent or received. You'll see a list of files here, but we're not stopping there. To make sure you find exactly the documents you've sent, move to the top of the window and click on the sort icon. From the sort options that appear, choose You. This option filters everything to show only the documents you've personally sent, making it easier to find what you need without scrolling endlessly. Once you've located your documents, click on the select icon at the top of the window. This allows you to choose multiple files at once. Now, select all the documents you want to forward. After selecting your files, click on the forward icon. It looks like a small arrow. A new window will appear, allowing you to choose who you want to send these documents to. Pick your recipients either from your recent chats or by searching for their names. Finally, once you've selected everyone, hit send. That's it. Your chosen documents will be forwarded instantly to the selected chats or contacts. This new update makes it so much easier to manage your sent documents directly from your PC. No more hunting through endless messages, just a few clicks and you're done. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to check out more quick WhatsApp tips right here.